Hey guys, so now I am trying the rice water. This is actually my second time trying it. The first time, let's just say I don't think I did it properly, and my family made a huge fuss about the smell. I mean, obviously it's gonna smell, but I wasn't that bothered by it, but they were. So this time around, I have added a lemon peel to it. We didn't have orange, we only had lemon. I figured lemon, nice lemony smell, detoxifies, all that good stuff. So I figured the lemon peel would help. I'm not entirely sure if I did it right the second time, because I don't know if it was okay for me to put it in the fridge immediately after pouring it into the jar to ferment, or if it had to ferment at room temperature. I'm not sure. I just know that it's better when it's cold to put on your hair. Also, the only spray bottles I could find are these small ones, so I have two, and I have no idea how much I'm actually going to need, because last time I literally just dumped it all on my head. Also, to help with the scent and the moisture, I have my hair mask that I normally deep condition with, and I just figured I'm going to kill two birds with one stone, because ain't nobody got time for two different deep conditionings. In no particular fashion, I'm just going to make some sections, and for right now, finger detangle. Then apparently you're supposed to spritz, so we're gonna spritz. There we go. Wait a minute. And okay, could use a little more. Let's get generous. Let's open it up. Make sure it's all the way through. Okay, so this is now soaked in rice water, and I'm going to take just a bit of my added. Make sure it's moisturized properly, and then I'll probably seal it again with another spritz just to be safe. I really like how it feels. So I especially added it to my ends because I know my ends need a trim, so I'm hoping that could just hold it off a little bit longer. So far I've done one section. I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and then we'll catch up later. So I should have told you guys that I started detangling with my Denman brush. I normally section my hair in 4, but because I'm doing this myself, to make it more manageable, I did much more sections. Boom, done. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 sections. 6 sections. So I see a lot of YouTubers talk about, oh, I only lost this much hair. This is how much I lost from detangling. I don't know, is this a lot? Is it not? Because at this point, I genuinely don't know. And to be fair, there was a little bit of hair in the brush before I started, so Now I'm going to put on a cap and add some heat for about 20 minutes or until I get bored, and then rinse it out. So when I see you guys again, I would have rinsed out the rice water, and we'll see if there's any kind of growth, which is why I'm wearing this hideous house dress. So to give you guys an idea of where my hair is right now, it pulls down to this line. It pulls down to this line when I pull my hair. So we'll see if there's any kind of growth after my second rice water rinse. Hey guys, so I just rinsed out the treatment. That's why my hair looks all crazy. But I have to admit, my hair feels really soft, and I love it. So it's probably stupid, but I'm gonna do a length check anyway just to see, because it's been 2 washes with the rice water, and people make it seem like they notice a difference in their length like after the first use, so you'll see. I highly doubt there's a difference. I think that's exactly what it was before. So yeah, that's exactly where my hair was before I started. Feels a little bit more on my boob though, if I'm being honest. But I'm going to keep using this dress. It's actually a dress. God, it's ugly. To use for the length check just to see, because it has the stripes, which is great for actually checking the length. So I don't know. I'm going to do this again next week, and we'll see if after 3 washes there's any kind of difference in my hair, because everyone has been swearing by this. Everyone says they notice a difference. Me, not so much yet. I will admit my hair feels fuller, not so much thicker, just fuller, like it's more evened out, more like when I wear it now I don't have to do much for it to look like a full afro. So I would say that that's actually what's different. That's all I've noticed so far. But length, not so much, but I guess density, fullness, whatever, that is what's actually improved in my hair. And I think looking back on how much I did lose in breakage was slightly less than last week. It could also be because I did my own detangling and my mom can be really rough with my hair, so that could be a huge factor as well. But we're gonna give this until the end of June. So right now it's May 31st. We're gonna give this to the end of June to see if there's any significant improvement in my hair's overall health and length. So what do you guys think? Have you tried it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What do you use for the scent? What kind of rice do you use? Do you combine it with your your hair mask? What do you guys do? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, especially the notification bell, so you never miss another video. See you guys in a month. Bye.